So we're here on the outside of the home. What we're looking at here is known as the IceGuard. IceGuard is designed to give you some protection in the event of a very hard freeze. Traditionally, sump pumps are either tied to a sewer or a city municipality. They won't let you do that anymore. Everything's got to be run to the outside of the house to drain naturally. One of the issues that they've had there is it's usually not below a freeze line. When you get a really, really cold snap and the ground freezes, there was a problem with the discharge freezing, and then you have a lot of issues inside the house. You have things like fittings that come loose. A lot of times the pump motor can burn up. It's just not a good thing. It can give you all kinds of problems. So what they've done is innovated the IceGuard. IceGuard is a pressurized line from the inside that runs to a gravity flow drain on the outside. In the event that it gets cold enough and the ground freezes, there's actually a relief point right here that the water will come out of up next to the house. It will allow the water to run freely so that it's not restricted by any ice plugs or anything. So when everything thaws out, it returns to running like normal. It's just there as an extra added protection just at the times that you really need it.